Today on How To Blinds, we'll be showing you how to install your perfect fit shutter light. First, we'll attach our brackets to the window using a credit card as our guide. Slot a bracket into each corner of the gasket seal. Then we'll do the same for the top window. Now the brackets are in place, we can install our shutters. Line the cutout in the bottom of the frame with the bottom brackets. Once clipped in, push the top side of the frame into the top brackets. Now we can do the same for the top window. And as you can see, the window is still fully operational. And that's how to install your perfect fit shutter light. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more on How To Blinds.